English is too hard for me.
No, it is not too hard.
I do not understand quickly.
You can understand very fast.
Do you feel tired sometimes now?
Type yes in comments below.
Let us learn new English words. Sarah was very tired today. Her child wanted a new toy. The toy store was huge. Many toys were there. She did not know what to buy. Then a clerk came to help.
Hello, may I help you find?
Sarah felt very overwhelmed now. She just wanted to leave soon. But her child still waited. She needed a good toy fast.
We have many great new toys.
Sarah sighed very quietly. She needed help from him now.
Now let us practice this situation.
Listen and repeat with us now.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I need a toy.
Great, what kind of toy?
A small car for boy.
We have many cool cars.
Show me a blue car.
This one is very popular.
How much is this car?
It is $10.
It is a good price.
Yes, it is very good.
I will take this one.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
No, that is all. Thank you.
You are welcome. Have a day.
Thank you. Bye now. How much is this car?
I will take this one.
Secret tip. Repeat phrases aloud.
This helps your memory greatly.
Subscribe for more free lessons.
Like and share this video.
Real English. Real communication.
See you in next lesson. English is not always easy.
But you can learn fast.
Today we learn new words.
Winter shopping is fun, yes?
Type yes if you agree. Chloe wants a new coat.
It is very cold outside.
She needs a warm jacket.
Leo is with her now.
He feels very tired today.
She sees many nice coats.
She wants a red, long one.
He thinks it is too bright.
She says, I like this.
She tries it on quickly.
Oh, it is too small.
She looks very unhappy.
Leo just shakes his head.
Let us practice speaking now.
Listen and repeat with us.
I need a new coat.
What kind do you want?
I want a very warm coat.
Look at this blue one.
No, I do not like blue.
How about this red coat?
Oh, I love this color.
Is it warm enough for you?
It feels very soft inside.
What size do you need?
I need a small size.
Here is a small one.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is there.
It does not fit well.
It is a bit too tight.
Do you have a medium?
Let me check for you.
This coat feels very soft.
It is made of wool.
How much does it cost?
It is $100.
That is a good price.
Do you like this one?
Yes, I will take it.
Great, let us go pay.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. Key phrase 1. What size do you need?
Key phrase 2. Can I try this on?
Speak English every day.
Say new words out loud.
Do not be afraid to speak.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
You are doing great work.
Real English. Real communication.
Do you want to speak fast?
English learning is not hard.
You can learn English quickly.
Just listen and repeat often.
Today, meet a famous person.
Type yes if you like movies.
Our story starts right now.
Oh my goodness, it is him.
I am so very sleepy.
I must say hello now.
Another fan, I think.
He is my favorite actor.
I just want to rest.
I need his autograph now.
I am very busy today.
This is my big chance.
I wish I were home.
I will ask him politely.
Now, let us practice speaking.
Listen carefully to the words. Excuse me, are you Leo Vance?
Yes, I am. Hello.
I love your new movie.
Thank you very much.
Can I take a photo?
I am very tired now.
Oh, I understand. No problem.
Maybe another time soon.
Yes, I hope so very much.
Have a good day.
You too, Mr. Vance.
Goodbye.
Thank you for your time.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
What a great moment.
I need my quiet time.
He is so very kind.
I am going home now.
I will tell my friends.
Sleep is very important.
This day is wonderful.
I must rest my eyes.
I will watch his movies.
I just want to sleep.
He works very hard.
Yes, I do work hard.
I am a big fan.
I appreciate your support.
You are truly amazing.
Thank you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Vance. Thank you.
Remember these two phrases.
Are you Leo Vance?
I am very tired now.
Practice them often, please.
Speak English every single day.
Even one short sentence helps.
This builds your confidence fast.
Subscribe for more quick lessons.
Like this video right now.
Real English. Real communication.